Let's say you're writing a check, but the numbers you wrote down don't match up to those same numbers but spelled out. What happens then? Well, generally the bank is going to pay based on what you actually wrote out in terms of the words rather than the numbers because inherently you're more likely to mess up writing the numbers out than the actually drawn out words. So hypothetically, let's say you wrote a check and you put the numbers 369 on it, but when you spelled it out, you put 396. Again, the bank is generally going to default to assuming that you meant 396 because it's easier to say, oh, you just transposed the 6 and a 9 when you wrote down the numbers, rather than, oh, you completely butchered the spelling of 69 when you meant to say 96. Now, here's the kicker. Just because banks usually default to whatever's physically written out in terms of words and not numbers doesn't mean it's always correct. You see, recently someone just sent a check to the IRS in the amount of 3360, which was the correct amount. However, when they physically wrote out, they put $33,060, not $3,360. Yikes.